Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a post on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen,
Hello
and
guys, in this video I'm going
select
to
a
show
picture from your gallery. Tap to the done button, and here you can add the filter and you can edit your post. Here you can add descriptions and different settings, and if you don't, just click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.